So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find a Bluetooth support service. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which would then make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now once you've done that, now you want to right click on Bluetooth support service. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart this service. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, there's going to be a file path down below in the description. You just want to copy and paste this. So you want to highlight this, do Ctrl+C to copy it, come to registry editor, and then if you look on the top right here, you want to delete computer. So delete this, make sure you have nothing here. Now you want to right click and then click on paste, which would now paste the path, which will be down below in the description. Now you want to click on enter, which should now take us to here. And then once you're on this, you should be having both lower filters and upper filters. You want to delete both of these. So I'm going to delete lower filters first. I'm going to right click on it and then click on delete and then click on yes. Same for upper filters, you want to right click on it, delete, and then click on yes. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. Now you want to scroll down and find Bluetooth. You want to click on run. And then once this comes up, you want to click on yes. You now want to click on continue and you want to go through all the steps that will come up here. Once you complete all these steps, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.